Guess what? It came. So I'm on my way out the door. I just got out the shower. I have to hurry up. I'm on my way to Great Wolf Lodge, but this came to my door and I'm a little excited. You know, when you get a package, you can't wait. I got the nerve because I need to go. I need to get ready. But I want to do this because I don't want to wait till tomorrow. Because that's what's going to happen. I'm trying to get this stuff lit. Okay. So this is the Fukubukuro for 2025 from Tatcha. And then, of course, if you watched my last video, you know that I ordered the Indigo Repair and the Rice Polish. And then with a $100 purchase, you get the Fukubukuro, which are free products. This supposedly adds up to $100. Then they have one that you can spend $200 and then you get one that adds up to $200. So I'm excited to see what I got. And then I picked these samples. Just drop one. So I got the cleansing oil, the Dewy skin cream, and then this that just came out, the brightening serum. All right, so yeah, let's just go ahead and hurry up and show you this so that I can go, and then I'll be back another day, I think. I don't know. I'm not going to take you guys with me to Great Wolf, so yeah. So, inside your lucky bag. Okay. So it tells you what's inside the bag. Rice Polish Classic, the Dewy Serum, Indigo Overnight Repair, and Luminous Deep Hydrated Mask. Okay, so I watched someone else's, a few other people's Fukubukuro from Tatcha, and they got the with the $100, not even the $200 one. They got the essence, which I was like, ooh, excited about that because I thought I was getting essence, and the lip kisu something, like a little lip, full size lip balm, and I love a lip balm. It's okay. It's not really okay. It's okay. Listen. I didn't pay extra for this, and I was already going to order this, so, I mean, can't be too disappointed, right? So, let me just see. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is... So this is what comes. This I could have did this better, right? I could have just. I don't feel like if I wasn't in a rush, I would have did this better. And honestly, I mean, I'm gonna show you the products. Why is this being so? Let me just do it like a human being. All right, so this is what it comes with. It comes with the rice polish, which I ordered already, but it's okay because see, this is what I ordered, and then it came with the. Okay, that's cool. And then it also came with the Indigo Overnight Cream Mini, which again, it looks like this. I showed this before. And so what I don't have is the Dewy Serum. And this is what it is. What is the Dewy Serum? Let's see what the Dewy Serum is. The Dewy Serum, an ultra hydrating serum made with clinical powerhouses, hyaluronic acids, squalene, hydrolyzed collagen, and elastic amino acids to boost visible elasticity, plump and lock in moisture of dewier, bouncier skin. 1 or 2 pumps gently massage your skin. Okay, that's fine. And then a sheet mask. It says sheet mask, yeah. Or luminous deep hydrating lifting mask. It's only one in here, right? Yeah. Let's see. Okay, so this is the mask. No. Listen, I didn't have to pay for it, right? And this is how I'm rationalizing not getting the essence and the lip balm. Because I was a little excited to get that because I've never tried either one of those two. It's alright. It's okay. It's alright. So yeah. It's fine. Because I already was going to purchase this. right? And I was thinking about purchasing this before. So anyway, so that's what I got. And oh, let me see something. You know what? I wish, and I actually want to know why it doesn't, but if you see the other Tatcha, I know it didn't come with the thing on the top, but the other Tatcha moisturizers has the little holder for the top. Why doesn't this come with that? That's a little disappointing to me. I mean, I knew I knew it wasn't gonna come like that, but I would like to know, Tatcha, but why? What is the significance of not making a holder for the top of this? This one, and it's not. This was Chyna. No. Tatcha, can you please make this have a little holder as well? Please? Like, why doesn't it? I just want to know why it doesn't. I just want to know why. That's all. If you can't do it, I want to know why you can't do it. Do you need to distinguish between the two? I don't understand. I don't understand. I'm a little annoyed. I don't want to be annoyed. I don't want to be ungrateful, but it's not ungrateful because I paid for it, right? It's not really ungrateful. You know, this is the white one. They have another one that comes in a blue jar that's blue. And that one comes with the little holder. What? It's alright. I guess. It's not okay. It's not okay, Tatcha. It's not. Can you just design the top, please? Okay, so that is all I got. You already know that's what's in here. And then I got extra, which is cool because then I don't have to repurchase this. Oh, you know what? Let me oh, so I wanted to talk about this because I had this the rice, this is what is this called? Soft cream cleanser, Tatcha, the rice wash. I got this when I bought this, when I checked out, they were offering this with your points along with the water cream. And even though I don't really like the water cream, I was like, let me just get it, whatever. What I'm gonna do with my points? I'm just stacking them for no reason at this point. So anyway, I got this and I didn't want to use it because I was just like, I told you my skin is a little finicky. So I like to introduce products one at a time just to make sure, like, if I do have a reaction, I'm able to pinpoint what made me have the reaction. So after using this for well over a month, I decided to use this. This was a couple of days ago. The first time I used it, I was like, because my face wash doesn't have any fragrance, so I'm not used to fragrance. So I'm in the shower and I'm washing. I'm like, oh, this is lovely. I like it. Ooh. So then, and it washed my face very well. So I said, you know what? Let me just keep using it. I didn't see any reaction. Has it been a week yet? Almost a week since I've been using it, and I quite like it. I'm pretty fond of it. So I might be purchasing this. No reaction, so I'm good. And again, the key for me is to slowly introduce things into my skincare because I had a bad habit of just everything at once. I want everything. I want to try it all. I want it all the skincare. Give me the skincare. I'm a skincare junkie. So I would just put things in my regimen all at once and then not know what was breaking me out or was making me react. So since last September, I started introducing things slowly but surely, and that's been working for me. Why does my phone keep going off? Why? I keep trying to record and it keeps going off. Okay. So yeah, anyway, the key to me minimizing reaction or basically pinpointing what's causing reaction is like giving one product time, at least a month. So like I gave this well over a month. So then I started using this, still no reaction. It's almost been a week. I think tomorrow makes a week. And then I'm going to figure out how to incorporate this other stuff, but I have to give it time. I want to try this. And then I do want to try. I'm a little hesitant on this. I think that I probably won't use this till next month, to be completely honest with you. And I might do a little pamper day with the sheet mask. We'll see. And you will know because I will record it and show you guys. I want to try the e.l.f. They said it's very comparable to this. Has anyone ever tried it? What is it called? The Squeeze Me? e.l.f. Squeeze Me Balm, I think. They have it in grape. I really like this, and I like the price of the e.l.f. better. So yeah, let me know if you tried the e.l.f. one like this. I would like to get to a point where I'm just using one line of products, because I think they make them to work with one another. So I'm really happy that I like this moisturizer, and I'm really happy that I'm enjoying this cleanser. And if I could just keep these two going in my skincare regimen, then I'm gonna be a happy person. I don't need all the extras. I don't need, right now, I'm not really trying to incorporate a lot of serums and things like that. I just need a good moisturizer and a good face wash, and that is it, really. And a good exfoliant that doesn't over exfoliate my skin, because that will also cause me to react in a very negative way. My skin does not play well with others. It is very antisocial, so I have to be careful. Yeah, it's very just, it likes a simple life. Okay, so I may come back later. So then I'll see you later. Or I just might make this a little short video. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make this a little short video. Okay, so guys, you have a wonderful week. Today is Thursday the 23rd. I think I'm not putting this up until next Thursday. Yes, because I have a video coming out later on today. It's already set up, ready to go. Okay. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Oh, thanks for watching. If you like it here, please subscribe and share and comment. Let's have a conversation, because that's fun. That's why I'm here, to have a conversation. I like talking to you guys. I'm always talking to myself, so okay. I know this sun is like, I don't mind this. The sun. Anyway, I'm rambling. Bye.